If you're one of those users that cannot download and install Xbox Game Pass content because of this error, you can fix the following error with these potential solutions in this video. Now what you can try first is to run this Microsoft Store app troubleshooter. You just have to launch the Settings app, click System, choose Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooter, then choose Run for activating Windows Store apps, and then apply any suggestions in the troubleshooter provides. Additionally, turn Delivery Optimization on in Settings. Do that by opening Settings, click Windows Update, click Advanced Options to view more settings, select the Delivery Optimization navigation option, turn on the Allow Downloads from Other PCs option to enable Delivery Optimization, and then click the Devices on my local network radio option. Lastly, enable the Delivery Optimization services. Do that by opening Services, double-click the Delivery Optimization service, select Start, click Automatic in the Startup menu, then select Apply, and click OK to save the service's new settings. Now you have to repeat those steps for the Background Intelligent Transfer service. And those are the following ways on how you can fix the Xbox Game Pass error in your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.